Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to change your headlight bulb, your standard beam and your high beam in a 2004 Toyota Avalon. I'm also going to be upgrading to this K2 LED headlight. I've got the 9006 and I've also got the 9005 for the high beams. But I'm going to get those changed out here and then show you what it looks like at night. I'll do a side-by-side comparison. Okay, so this is our high beam bulb on the passenger side, and it's quite simple to remove. You just press in this little plastic tab right there and just pull that connector out. That's how you disconnect it. Now then we can also take the bulb and twist it. Just twist it counterclockwise till those tabs line up, and then it should just come out. Kind of have to wiggle this one. It looks like it's been in here for a long time. And that's the old bulb. Now these are not bad. This is a 9005, but I'm just doing a little upgrade slash review. Okay, so just grab our new bulb. The shape on this, see these three tabs, is slightly different than the original bulb, but that shouldn't make a difference. It looks like, if anything, they're a little bit smaller or narrower. So we should be able to just to bring this around and almost just line it up the same way. Put that in, line it up with those three tabs, and then turn it. Kind of have to press in and turn. And then we should be able just to plug the connector in, like so. Now this connector is marked, it's marked positive and negative, and I'm not sure if that's the correct direction. Let's just go see if it'll turn on. Okay, it is on. I'll show you here in a minute what it looks like. Now I'm going to put these connectors down here, down away from the belts and everything, just to make sure they don't bump into anything. You can hear the little, you can see the little fan running inside there. All right, I'm going to turn the lights back off, and then we'll go ahead and change the main headlight too. Okay, now here's our standard beam, or our low beam bulb, and you can see this one actually is not even in the housing correctly. It looks like somebody just kind of jammed it in there. Yeah, look at that. It wasn't even locked in place. To take that off, just squeeze this in right here, pull it out, and then our new bulb and connector right here. We'll just get this plugged in. You see that your harness is actually marked positive and negative, and that's a nice thing. So is this little cable. So we've got the positive and the negative on this side, which will make it easy to line up. Just press that in until it clicks, and then just come down here. Kind of difficult with this washer tube in the way, but there you go. Once you have them lined up, just press it in and turn a little bit clockwise, and then I'm just going to kind of tuck this harness down here out of the way. I'm going to go turn the lights on and show you the difference in the daytime, and then I'll show you at night as well. Okay, so they're both on now. Oddly enough, the connector, the positive and negative on the low beam, I didn't pay attention to the high beam, they just happened to work, but the low beam, I thought I lined it up positive to negative correctly, and it didn't work. I just took it out and flipped it and just switched it, and now it does work. So maybe that's mislabeled, or maybe I did it wrong. If you do put them in and they don't work, just turn it 180 degrees or flip it around, and it should work. I think it looks pretty cool. It's it's definitely a lighter white, or brighter. We'll wait till it gets dark and do a little comparison. But there's the original bulbs there on the driver's side, and that's the K2 LEDs. Now that's what they look like at night. Again, it's a different color, but I like the look. Let me go turn on the brights so you can see the difference there too. Well, there you go. That's what the brights look like. I think it's a good upgrade, pretty inexpensive. So I'm going to turn these off and get these other ones changed out. Hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. I'll put a link in the description where you can pick up these same lights as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.